Hey, what's up guys, it's Theo from Final Concept. So today I'm going to show you how I create this vertical reveal effect either at the beginning of your video or at the end of your video using Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's just get started. Welcome to Final Concept. Click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Alright, as stated, I'll be using Adobe Premiere Pro, so let's go ahead and open up our application. Now, I already have my video in the timeline here, and the effects, usually what I use to create this effect is called the crop effect. So you go into your effects panel. Your interface may look a little bit different from mine because I have customized mine. Then I'll search for crop. Now I'm going to click and drag the crop effect onto my video on the timeline. You know what, let me mute this audio so that it doesn't affect my recording. And this is what we have. Basically, you are not going to see anything in there. But what I want us to do is, once you have your video selected, go into the effect control, so it will be somewhere on the top left. Then you see the crop effect, which we just added. Now, since this is a vertical effect, from top to down, we are going to be working with the top and the bottom. So I'm going to start at the beginning of the clip, create a keyframe for the top, create a keyframe for the bottom. Then I'll move right around, probably here. This is where I want the transition to begin, and I also create keyframes. Now, if I move to the beginning of the clip, I'm actually going to increase the percentage here to about 50%. Well, actually 50%, because that is going to be at the exact center. Now for the bottom, I'll do the exact same thing, so 50%. So what this does is, the moment I play, you see that it is moving away from the 50% mark to the 0% mark. And it is basically just going to reveal for me, like so. Now imagine I delete the keyframe for this. Then it is just the top one which is going to be showing. So if you want to do something quite dramatic, you can make it probably 100%. Then it is just going to fade in from the bottom like so. So you can use this effect however you want it. But I usually like mine to come from the center, so I'll have it something like this. Pretty nice. All right. Now, in case you also want to have this at the end of your clip, so let's say somewhere around here, you are going to do the exact same thing. So I'll create a keyframe. And I'll create another keyframe for this. Now what this allows me to do is, if I move to the end of the clip, this is not the end. So you know what, let me bring this somewhere around here. So if I move to the end of the clip over here, then I can send it back down to 0. So then I'll create another keyframe. So over here is also going to be at the 0 mark. Then at the end is going to the 50% mark. So that is going to be here, 50%, 50%. Like I said, you don't have to use the top and the down if you want to have the transition from one side. So something like this is also cool. You can have your transition out like this, then it is just going to fade into your color. Your video is going to fade away from your video. So this is something cool you can do. But if you realize, for the Theolabi channel, usually what I do is I actually want it to come from the left to right. So anytime I'm playing a video, you know what, let me just open it up from here. Now, anytime I'm playing my intro, it is something like this. The intro comes in, then it opens from both sides, then the video starts like this. Now, in case you want something like this, it's as simple as changing the keyframes bottom and up, just changing them to the left and right, as simple as that. So basically that is it. So in the case of the Theolabi channel, this is what I do. I rather use the left and the right. Then I'll set my keyframes to 0% for the beginning. Then I'll move over to the end where I want the transition to end. Then I'll make it 50 and 50. So this is going to be something like this, then just closing up for me. Or it's going to review from the center. So you can have something like this also. So however you want it, you can use this effect. So basically that is it. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to watch more of our videos, click on the subscribe button. And as always, don't forget to share with your family and friends. This is Theo for Final Concept, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.